Hey there, if you're watching this video, it's Thanksgiving Day. And before I get into the Black Friday deals that I've prepared for you, I just want to take a moment and wish you a happy Thanksgiving. And I want to pray for you and your family that you are surrounded by loved ones. And even if you're not, I just pray that you do have a joyful day today, because there's always a day to be thankful for something. And I'm just thankful for you for watching this video and for being a part of my journey and for watching my videos and subscribing to my channel. So I just wanted to share that with you. So I pray that you have a wonderful day and that moving into 2026, you have a super blessed and prosperous year. Now, speaking of a super blessed and prosperous year, there is no secret that things are kind of like not great in the world, right? And a lot of people are looking to come online to make extra money. And I know exactly the feeling, because back in 2007, I got online trying to make extra money because I was a stay-at-home wife and a mom to 3 kids, and I was looking for a way to make money from home. And there's so many different ways that you can do it. Like, you can go and sell stuff on eBay, or you can maybe join a network marketing company. But I'm going to tell you that in my 18 years of experience online, and after going through all the ups and downs of trying to figure out how to make money online, there's only a few ways that are going to get you to profit fastest. And that is if you can sell something that you already own, right? You can get something and you can list it on eBay and you can sell it for after you pay your fees and your listing fees, and the profit margin is probably going to be very, very small. And you could join a network marketing company or get into an affiliate program, but there's a very good chance that it's going to take a very long time for you to make that extra money that you're looking for. And if you go into affiliate marketing, even if you sell some products right off the bat, it's going to probably take anywhere from 30 to 45 days to get paid. So if you don't have a lot of experience, but you do have the fire and the interest and you are ready to roll up your sleeves and get to work, then there's this other option that is absolutely amazing, and it can position you to earn profits faster while actually building a real business. So that is what I've created my Black Friday deals around. True entrepreneurship, which is where you are able to sell a product and get paid 100% profit for it. Now, the only other way you could do that is through creating your own products, like a coaching program or offering some sort of a service like web design or graphic design. Or you can take a product that already exists and that you don't have to create yourself, and you can sell it for 100% profit. These kind of digital products are done-for-you products that already have a license that allow you to resell them for 100% profit. And so in my Black Friday deal, I created a package that is really to give you a gift that will keep on paying you and paying you first. From the moment that you download this package, you're going to have everything you need to build your own digital business without having to start from zero. So with that being said, if you're interested in actually stepping into a digital business and building a passive digital business in time with products that you don't have to create yourself from scratch, then let me share my Black Friday deals that are going to help you step into digital entrepreneurship so that you can build a passive digital business that makes money even when you're not online, so that you can build a business that you love that also allows you to have a life. So with that being said, let me show you my Black Friday deals. All right. So if you go to my website over at passivebizinabox.com, you'll come to the home page and this little pop-up will appear with the Black Friday deals, or I will just leave the link for you in the description box and in the pinned comment. So you'll click over here where it says see the Black Friday deals, and you'll see that I've got 3 cool deals for you. Number 1 is the Digital Biz Starter Kit. This is for someone who wants to start a digital business, have more control of your income, and you are more on the creative side, and you also like to make money, so you're okay with going out there and promoting stuff, and you want to earn 100% of the profits. That's the Digital Biz Starter Kit. I'm going to show you what's in that in just a second. And then we've got the Digital Creator Accelerator Kit. So maybe you just need to refine your brand. Maybe you are a do-it-yourselfer and you need a little bit more cohesiveness in your marketing. So you want to get your colors right. You want to get your branding straight. You want to pick your fonts, things like that. I've got something for you too. And then we have the resale to recurring mini course, which is going to show you how to turn done for you digital products into 100% profits and how to structure the business so that you're not marketing things that you're feeling like you're all over the place. You have a few income streams that all make sense together because you are following what I call my ABCD income stacking method. And so it's more like a little business course. It's a starter course to lay the foundation for how to make money online and make money with digital products in a way that helps you actually grow and scale in time. So when I click over here to Digital Biz Starter Kit, you'll see that it includes these 4 things. So the first thing it does include is the Roadmap Digital Business Course, and that retails for $500. Now, in each one, I also have a page. So if you want to see what the actual product is itself, I have a link for you as well, so you can check that out. But the roadmap teaches you how to build your own digital business and how to create your own digital products from scratch. But here's the best part, because if you have tried building your own business and creating your own products and launching your own systems, you know that it does take time, right? So the cool thing about this particular program is that it also includes master resale rights, which means you can literally get your system set up and running, and you can start selling the program itself and then go back on your downtime and actually start applying what the course is actually teaching you. So the second product inside of the Digital Biz Starter Kit is the actual reseller system. See, I could just sell you the course for $500, but if you want to resell it, then you are going to need a whole entire separate set of tools, including a sales page, a lead magnet, a follow-up email list. You need like branding that makes you look like you're selling something of value, and you're going to need an entire training portal to house the actual course. Well, I've built it, and it's called the reseller system, so that you don't have to build any of the funnels. You don't have to write any of the emails. You don't even have to create your training portal. Everything is literally done for you. And with just one click, everything is already transferred into your account. If you have a system account, it's automatically transferred into your account, so that all you have to do is go to the reseller bonus inside of the actual course, because it's all in there, and then go to the training section where you will learn step by step how to set up your system so that you can go out and start selling. Now, the cool thing is that this system is duplicatable. That means when you sell this as well, the training's already in there. So the very same training that you got to set up your system, it's already embedded into the training portal, because that's the way I designed it. And the value of that alone is $19.97, which is close to $2,000, because if I were to build that out for someone, it would definitely cost that and much more. But you're getting it already included for a limited time. You're going to get it included inside of the $500 product. The next thing you're going to get is color branding for beginners. So let's say you want to change the color brand of a course, or you want to start creating your own digital product as the roadmap product starts teaching you. Well, you're going to have a full-on color branding for beginners course where I show you how to create a brand kit in Canva and a color scheme that you love that represents your brand and your digital products. That way, when you go to create your digital products and your funnels and all that, you have a cohesive looking brand. And it's really fun, because we're going to be using AI to help you create your brand palette. So it's a real fun, creative course that is going to help you create the color palette for all your social media images, including your YouTube banner, your email header, your Instagram images, and more. So that's a really cool product. And I also include some really awesome bonus digital product mockups in there, so that when you are ready to create your own digital product, you have everything you need to do it. And then the fourth product that is inside of this, and honestly, I wasn't even sure if I was going to include it because the value is already crazy by itself. But what I really wanted to do was give you a full holistic starter package, so that you knew exactly what to do, exactly where to start, exactly what to sell, without having to create everything from total scratch. So I've also thrown in my resale to recurring course where it shows you how to, as I mentioned a little bit before, how to build the structure for a profitable business, going from low ticket to mid ticket to high ticket to recurring, so that you have a full business model without feeling like you're all over the place. This is a foundational course and it's going to tie everything else in together. And the price for all of these, okay, well, let's just talk about the value of it is $2,891, but the Black Friday price is only $497. That means you're getting all of this, a complete passive digital biz starter kit for only $497, a one-time payment of $497. That means you're going to save 83%, which is incredible. Okay. So the second one is the Digital Creator Accelerator Kit. So in this one, you're going to get my color branding for beginners, and I'm going to, again, walk you through the process of using AI to create your color palette, your brand kit, all the things so that you can apply that color palette to your website, to your funnels, to your social media graphics, to your ebooks, and all the graphics that you have to create as you build your digital brand online. The next thing you're going to get is you're going to get this cool little product that is called my top 30 secret PLR vendors. That way, if you don't want to create products from absolute scratch, you can go to these awesome white label vendors. You can purchase the product, personalize it, and promote it as if it was your own. That way you save a bunch of time and you can put a quality product out there in the marketplace without starting from scratch. Really, really awesome. And then I'm also throwing in the resale to recurring, because that's like a foundational course, and that's going to help you get clarity and structure in building your business. And you're going to get it right from the get-go, because it took me a long time to finally put all the puzzle pieces together and connect all the dots so that I could finally build a business where it's more stable and I can scale it, and I don't always have to be online to make money, and I don't have to create every single thing from scratch. I do create because obviously these things I created myself, which the products actually teach you how to create products yourself. But I also believe in leverage. And so if it already exists and I can just put my stamp on it and sell it, that I love that too. So, all right. So what's included? So you get color branding for beginners, which is $297, 30 top secret PLR MRR content vendors, which is normally $47, and then resale to recurring, which is normally $97. So the value is $441, but you get it for just $197. That's 55% off this Black Friday only. Well, it's going to last for 4 days, but anyway, as long as this page is still up and running, you can get the deal. All right. And then finally, I'm just going to sell. I truly want to get this into as many people's hands as possible. It's $97, but for $37, you can get the resale to recurring starter kit, because without recurring income, we just have a job. We just have a job. So eventually, you want to get to recurring income, but you do that through creating cash flow up front. And this course is going to show you exactly how. So if you are interested in any of these deals, then just go to my website at Passive Biz in a Box. Click on the little pop-up button and it'll take you here. Or you can go to passivebizinabox.com/Black Friday 2025, or just click on the link in the description box or in the pinned comment, or wherever you're seeing this. If you're seeing it on Facebook, I'll have it linked for you. Wherever I have this video, all you have to do is just go to my website and click on the little pop-up box. That's probably the easiest way to do it. All right, so I saved the best for last, because when you invest in the Digital Biz Starter Kit package, you'll be able to stay in contact with me for the next 30 days so that if you come across any hiccups, if you have any questions, or you need extra support, then I will make sure that I am there for you, answering any of your questions so that you can get set up successfully, so that you can leap into 2026 with a digital product that you own and that you can profit from over and over and over again without having to create everything from scratch yourself. And you're also going to be equipped with the information that's going to help you create your own digital product so that you can learn how to create products so that you can always count on your own products and income streams to make money online. So hopefully you find a package that speaks to you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section right below. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching. And if you purchase anything, I thank you in advance, and I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.